Still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
Japanese family, the noisy son constantly disrespects his rather violent father. To the point where his continuous noise drives the man to take his son's most prized possession. And smashes the shit out of it. The son manages to scrape together enough cash to buy a new PlayStation. But continues to shout, causing his dad to enter once again. You would think he would be quieter now after that warning. But no. The son is obviously very upset and plots his revenge. When his father comes back from work, he decides to destroy his father's scooter in payback. Coaxing his friend into helping, who is the one caught in the act. This is your typical American family where eldest son MC Juggernuggets sets up a camera to record his sibling playing Xbox, something that their father had forbidden him to do.
What the hell are you doing? No, I've been trying to find God! You're fucking crazy doing it! Don't touch your fucking teeth! You know that! I told you before about this! You made that! You're not going to destroy it!
How many times did I... Holy shit! Holy
He throws it in the pool, but his son apparently does not learn his lesson.
Oh no. What the heck? Oh boy.
Get a job! What is it out of your room?
So the man lawnmowers over all of his games. For revenge, however, the son gets his brother to film him pranking his father.
What the fuck, dude? I didn't even say go!
Oh shit.
I didn't know the plane was still
Christ.
on! I was trying to get you back for the prank! I didn't know they were on!
His dad quickly gets the upper hand, blaming the outburst on video games.
Violence in video games, isn't it? Cause you to do stuff like this. Violence? You're not! Get away, put it back! What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you... Dad! 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 Dad!
And destroys once again his console. This next father had received an email that his son was about to fail the semester. So he told him to buck up his ideas, study, and no playing video games. But he just couldn't keep his hands off the console.
He's playing Xbox.
Yes, he is.
You know, I don't have time for this right now. You've got to be kidding me.
Oh boy.
That kid just does not understand. What are you doing? Playing a game. Playing a game. Didn't I say I don't want you on Xbox?
Well, yeah, but I mean, I got
You got an email from the teacher a couple days ago saying you're failing one of your classes. This is it. This is the end of the semester.
I know. Well, it's almost done. It's almost done.
Okay,
Break.
No.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Ridiculous.
His father appears to be angry, but has amazing self-control and rather unrealistically plans to barbecue the console in the evening.
Oh boy.
What are you doing? That's it. Oh, no, you're not going to break it.
What are you doing?
Oh no.
Are you serious?
Oh
There you go. That's what you get.
shoot.
You're going to listen to me?
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
tired of playing games with you.
And now we see the strange parenting of the Daddy-O5 family. When one of their children is grounded for being bad, they argue around him about what his punishment should have been.
He's not going outside for the rest of the week. That's punishment. Well, what's your solution?
Bust it!
Really, bust it?
Don't take his stuff!
Look, it's blood in the rock!
After a strange domestic fight between them both,
What are you? Where you at?
Because of you! Look at all this! Because of you!
now in pain, Daddy-O5 suddenly decides to throw all of his son's possessions out of his window, leaving the boy pretty perplexed as to what the hell is going on.
Damn!
His dad obviously then feels bad and buys him a new PlayStation.
You did?
Yes, look.
A solid lesson there for us all.
Why did you find that? All for being bad today? What the hell?
Do things wrong and you'll get a new toy.
Come here, look what I got.